So what is up, creatives? It's me, Allen, the founder of the Hopeful Designer, and we are up again for another Canva design hack tutorial. And for our tutorial, we're going to slice ahead. So as you can see there at the image, that's the head that we're going to slice. So if you're watching this, Elon, um, best regards, and this is my tribute for you for everything you've done for this world. So now, I uploaded this video, this picture, but you can use a lot of pictures that are available in Canva photos. Okay, so what you wanted to do, of course, is to remove the background of this image. For this time, I've removed it. If ever it has background, so again, I duplicate it for the purpose of cropping it, so that when you crop it, it'll be aligned. Okay, so of course, we're going to crop it into three parts, so that's why I duplicated three times. So as you can see there, in order for me to see if what I am cropping will be fairly cut, I did this, okay, and aligned them like this in the middle, in order for me to see if they really fit each other's crop or cut. Okay, so they fit. Okay, so if they did that, so what you want to do is to scatter them again, because you're going to place an element. So I use this element. If you're wondering what's named this is, it's called Creamline Brush Swatches. Okay, so what you wanted to do with this is, first of all, we're going to change its color red, so that it will have like the flesh effect on it. But of course, you can use any color or any assorted color for this one. So we're gonna place it under the head or under the cropped image, and then show a little bit portion of it. This act as the flesh, as the flesh being cut, or to make the cut more realistic. So if you came or you see this tutorial for in Facebook or in other social media platforms, and you watch this YouTube tutorial, you're in luck, because the strategy I used to cut, to see if the cuts are perfectly aligned. I never taught this in social media pages, in my social media platforms, in my social media accounts. I only teach this exclusive in YouTube. So if you're looking forward on more of my tutorials, I suggest that you stay tuned on my YouTube, because there are a lot of exclusive tutorials that I only teach here in YouTube, and I never entirely teach or show in my social media accounts. So just do the same thing with the other one. So this one, we placed it here under the head, so that it won't overlap in there. Okay, just place it like that. And let's experiment a little bit. Change this one into color blue. Okay. Just do the same thing to the other heads. So guys, if ever you're new to the channel, don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to the channel, because it helps me a lot to grow as a small and starting YouTube content creator. So also leave a comment on what tutorials that you are looking forward to, or if there's any design that you want me to design, like resume, posters, I will gladly do it. So there, let's change the filters of the image, to grayscale, so that it will have the effect, or it matches the color of the element. Okay, Okay, so you wanted to group them with elements so that they won't scatter when you move them. So in order, to have a realistic effect of the cut, you wanted to rotate it for at least 2 degrees and align the heads. Okay, so we're going to change all colors into red right now so that it will look like the flesh effect of the head being cut. But of course, you can explore these tutorials. It's not just the head. I just use the head as a metaphor for this design. But of course, you can use other objects. For example, a pineapple being cut, or your product being cut, being shown in the cut. Anything or any kind of creativity that you wanted to do with this design. Okay, so that's it. So if ever you're watching this, congrats, we've just sliced the head of the most richest man in the world, Elon Musk. And again, this is Alan, the founder of the Hopeful Designer. And okay, as a reminder, leave a comment on this video on what kind of tutorials that you're looking forward to. Subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell so that you always get updated on our tutorials, and share it to a friend that you think might help.